What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Aaliyahjay. If you're not new here, welcome back. Today I'm doing a DIY on some jeans. If you know Chrome Hearts, it's actually a really expensive jewelry brand, and they do have clothes as well. They have a lot of cool stuff. I usually buy like the merchy stuff, like the shirts, the t-shirts, the like sweatpants and stuff like that. But truthfully, I'm not a huge fan on the brand. I actually only started wearing the brand because of my boyfriend. He's been wearing it since years ago. This brand is so big now, you guys, like everyone's wearing it. And truthfully, it can get a little pricey, okay? Like, so, you know, I was looking online and I was like, oh, I want some Chrome Heart jeans. Like, those are cute or whatever. And girl, I looked at the price. I'm sorry. I mean, we all know I love my fashion. Like, I love getting dressed. I love like luxury, expensive things. But there's just certain things that I am not buying. And I feel like these jeans are one of the things that is just like on my not to buy list. I would never do, and I'm not going to be dumb. Now, I'm gonna be honest, the jeans are actually really dope, you know? Like, I love the aesthetic of it. I feel like the aesthetic is very like rock star, metal, rock, you know? I love that. I love that feel. But honey, that price, and these jeans actually go up to like $18,000, you guys. Like, I'm sorry, I'm not buying it. It's not gonna be me. Everybody can do what they want with their pair of jeans and buy whatever they want, but it personally, just for me, I just feel like that's not something that I would truly like invest in that really makes sense. Just for me and my lifestyle. But like I said, I did want like a pair of jeans like that because I felt like the aesthetic that I was trying to create and the picture that I was trying to take, the jeans was very fitted. I was like, you know what? Let me go online and search up some patches. I searched up Chrome Heart patches on Etsy. If you don't know Etsy, you are missing out, okay? So many people on Etsy make so many things. They sell so many things. And it's just a cool website that you can get so much stuff from. So I went on Etsy. I searched it up. I actually did go on Amazon. I'm not sure if Amazon had any. But Etsy has a lot of sellers that sell patches that look like Chrome Heart patches. And I was like, oh my God, like if I order the colorful ones, that would be so cute. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna make my own pair just for like fun. You know, I'm not gonna really like flaunt it like I'm wearing it out and like I got on designer. It's just for an aesthetic that I was trying to do. I really wanted to match it with my purse. So yeah, so I ordered that. I just got a pair of Zara jeans that I've been had in my closet, and I decided to use that. Like I said, to each his own. For me personally, I'm not buying the jeans, so I just decided to make my own. I know there's a couple of artists out there who actually make painted on Chrome Heart pants, like they paint on the patch, or they paint on LV, or they paint on Gucci. That's actually really popular nowadays. So I thought this just was a good way for me and you, if you want to do it, to get that Chrome Heart grungy rock star aesthetic. We're gonna get into the DIY video and let's go. So first things first, I just took my jeans and I put them on. These are how the jeans look. I love these jeans so much. I'll try to find the jeans and link them, but I'm not sure if they have them anymore. But yeah, so these are the jeans. I just tried them on because I just needed kind of like a visual of exactly like where I wanted them to be. So I just laid them out on my floor, just made sure I straightened them out, and you know, it doesn't have to be perfect. And so I started to look up some Chrome Heart jeans online, just so like I could have a reference photo. Of course, I know what they look like, but I just wanted to make sure, of course, you know, because I'm doing this all by myself. I was really scared that I was gonna mess it up. And I want you guys to see this price. So these pair of jeans are $6,000. This one is $10,000. This is the Drake and Chrome Hearts collection, I think. And these ones are $18,000. I'm sorry, I'm just not paying for it. I'm not. I don't care. So this is why I'm doing a little DIY. I think the jeans are really fun. And so we're gonna get into that. So these are the patches that I ordered. I ordered a bulk of pink and a bulk of multicolors. And so the bulk of pink is all together because that's just one of the orders. And here it is. Here's the bag that I actually want to match with the look. I feel like this new Balenciaga bag that I got for my birthday is super like motorcycle, and it just gave me Chrome Hearts vibe. I don't know what it is, but I don't know. So I'm taking the patches and I am placing them where I feel like the original jeans would have the patches. So a lot of times they have it on the hip and they have two overlapping each other. So I'm just picking out what colors I want. I do like the yellow and the pink, but I wanted to kind of, you know, just make these pants really colorful and really fun, you know. Usually, I'm not sure if they have chrome heart jeans with different color patches. I don't get that invested in the jeans, but I know they have them with black, of course. And I did want to add black, but I just didn't want it to be too high because I didn't want it to look too harsh with the bag, since this was just all for a picture. So I decided to put green and pink at the top and then blue on the other side. And honestly, this doesn't even have to be perfect. Like sometimes the chrome heart jeans, the patches are like literally in the most awkward place. And that's the thing about it. It doesn't have to be perfect. And I really love that aesthetic. I love the fact that the jeans have patches and they're just random, just thrown onto the jeans and they're charging $10,000. That's such a great hustle. I love it. So yeah, I'm taking the iron and I am heating it up and sticking it to the pants. I thought that the towel was gonna work. I didn't want to burn the pants or whatever, but you know, they didn't burn, so it was good. Don't gotta use a towel. And so I'm just overlapping all the patches, and you want to make sure you put a lot of heat to these because for some reason mine kept coming up. I don't know why, but they kept coming up. It was kind of weird. So I continued to put on all the patches, even on the back. And I did the same thing with the back, just overlapping. And this is how they came out. Like I said, they always have their patches in awkward places. So I made sure to make it a little awkward, like the yellow one. And as you can see, that black one in the back is kind of coming up a little bit. They were coming up. So I had to like kind of iron over it again and reinforce it. And so this is the finished product, and I'm about to find an outfit so I can take my picture. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. So this was a shirt that I had, and this is a chrome heart shirt, and I got this from Tokyo at Dover Street Market. But I was like, no, I want something a little more sexy, you know. Jeans are not that like sexy to me, so I like to really like show out on the top. I don't like to wear regular shirts with jeans because I almost feel like a little boy. But yeah, I had picked this little white tube top at first because it just, I don't know, it just kind of made sense at the moment. And I was like, okay, this is cute. But I also was still really bored. But it was cute, you know. This tube top is from Naked Wardrobe, and my necklace is from H&M. My bag is from Balenciaga. Jeans, of course, from Zara in Chrome Hearts. So this was me taking my pictures at first, and then I decided to change because the shirt was just not giving what it was supposed to give. So I put on a little cute thong, and I was like, okay, this is the look I'm going for. Like, you know, I don't care about the tube top. I want this look. So I just put on like a regular tank top that was just colorful, and I felt like it went great with the bag, and a pink thong that was just kind of like sticking out a little bit. And this is me taking pictures. Sometimes I take my pictures by myself. Sometimes my boyfriend takes them. But to see more pictures, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. And that was the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I didn't do an outro because the sun went down and it kind of got late. But I hope you guys do enjoy this DIY video. I had this planned for a while now, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you, and I love you. Bye.